Welcome to Hollow Acres Homestead. My name is Stephanie, and today I want to talk about our new home sawmill. This is the Frontier OS23, a true game changer in our garden expansion process. It turns logs to lumber with ease. This 23-inch sawmill is the perfect solution for anyone who wants to turn their own lumber into valuable resources. Here at Hollow Acres, we are dedicated to becoming as sustainable as we possibly can. Having the ability to mill our own lumber is invaluable, or at least the cost it was to buy this thing. So my husband, Josh, and I decided to invest in what works, and boy does this sawmill work. The OS23 comes with a powerful 14 HP Kohler engine, providing ample power to make short work of any log up to 23 inches in diameter. The solid steel frame and high-quality components ensure that this sawmill is built to last, making it the perfect addition to any homestead or small business. Using the OS23 is a breeze. It has a simple design and easy-to-use controls. With the help of the adjustable blade guide, you can ensure accurate cuts every time, no matter the size of the log. The blade is also easy to change, making maintenance a breeze. Behind me, we have the first and second cuts of the log that is currently here. This right now I think is like I think that this log is roughly a 4x4. Looks like it's been starting to cut in half, so maybe it'll end up being 2x4s. So we are turning our logs into a multitude of cuts. Here we have, this is our first cut. Boy. Okay. So logs like this, so the cuts like this, I'm going to be using for fencing. It's going to look pretty cool. We're also going to have smaller pieces like this. Obviously, this is probably one of the smallest. I probably can't do very much with this other than give it to the kids to like wood burn or do some craft or something with it. It's pretty cool looking. Now what we plan on doing with this sawmill, with the lumber, is we plan on making decking boards. You can't see it, but over there is the deck, our backyard deck. We have this weird 3-tiered laid thing. Makes no sense, but we have to completely redo it because it's like 30 years old and falling apart. So decking boards is one thing that we're going to be getting. Also 2x4s, 4x4s, 2x6s, fencing boards, boards for the garden beds. What I plan on doing for that, we're going to take a big log and we're just going to slice it long ways. And those boards, which I'm estimating, it depends on the board, but I want my garden beds to be 14 to 16 inches tall. And I only want to use one board. So I'm going to have to get a pretty decent sized log in order to cut, you know, the width of what I'm wanting. And of course, with, like I said, all the scraps, woodworking, scraps for the kids, wood burning, we'll have a lot of fun doing craft projects. This sawmill is going to save us a lot of money on lumber. And it is great to know that we are using a sustainable resource. Well, there's my overview of the sawmill. There's going to be a whole lot of sawmill woodworking content coming your way over the next couple of months to the end of the year. I mean, this is a permanent thing. This is ours, so prepare for a lot of woodworking videos. Well, thanks so much for stopping by. We'll see you next time here on Hollow Acres Homestead.